Aroma is fresh and clean.
Tests are approved. Proceed with storage. Copy that. Initiating transfer now. Milk flow rate holding steady at 500 liters per minute. Levels are stable at 78%.
Good. Monitor for any fluctuations.
Will do. Moving to the floor. Speed and temp are spot on. Check the mix. Viscosity looks good, no separation.
Confirmed. Proceed to blending.
Temperature is stabilizing at 72 degrees. All clear. Process complete. Pressure holding at 2800. Increase flow. Temperature is stable. Let's check the texture.
Scraping confirms smoothness. It's within spec.
Robotic arms place cones with pinpoint accuracy. Sensors trigger automatic filling nozzles. Digital counters track production in real time.
Output steady. Check cone quality. Mold alignment is good? Excellent. Keep monitoring. Holding steady at 42 Dow ZID. Good. Monitor for any fluctuations.
Checking the cone shape and texture. Freezing quality looks good. Batch 24, IV21A sample collected. Proceeding to batch B.
Aroma is fresh and clean. Texture is smooth, passes inspection.
Let's check this cup. 125.12 within tolerance. Good. 89.45. Perfect.
Seal is intact. Label correct. Package appearance good.
Coming in, watch the stack. Clear on the left, go. Got it, lifting now.
Delivering premium ice cream to stores across the city. Workers stock the freezers with care. Customers choose their favorite flavors.